Hello everyone! I'm thrilled to share a cool product with you today. It boasts a modern, minimalist and truly premium design. It just has that look. Now about the price. For something with this level of quality, you'd probably expect it to be quite expensive, right? Well, it's actually far more affordable than you'd ever guess. You might even, when you see it. And it's incredibly versatile too. It fits perfectly in an office setting, enhances your home, or makes an ideal gift. All the complete details are in the description below. Remember to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell. Until next time,